You like that, Ella? You like that? Yeah. Good job. You like those little animals when they move? Oh, yeah, kick them, kick them. Yeah, wave your little arm. Make him go. That's right. Good job. Yeah. There you go. Good job. Oh, yeah. Yeah, make it go. Yeah. Are you frustrated or do you like it? I can't tell. You're getting really anxious. Whoa, you're excited. You want that little monkey to move again? You can do it. You can do it, just kick it. You can make the little monkey move. You want me to help? Here. There you go. Good job.